Today we are going to learn the lesson inequalities. First of all, we will see a first question. See, this is the first question. X at 3 is greater and equal to 8. So we want to get the value of x only. So I am keeping this x and I am removing this 3 from this side. And when I am taking to other side, it will be negative. Then we will get the answer x is greater than or equal 5. X is greater than or equal 5. Now see here, if there is no any equal sign there, when we are illustrating these inequalities on a number line, we do not color those balls. If there is equal sign is there, we have to color this ball. See this one, this side is equal sign is there, so we want to color. If the equal sign is in both equations, we want to color these two balls. Now see here, x is greater than equal 5. We will illustrate this on a number line. Now first of all, we will mark in here. We want to color because the equal sign is there. What is there? 5 is less than x. Then x is greater than 5. Then our number line is going there. All the solutions are greater than 5. It may be 5, 6, 7 or greater values. We will see another question. If you get such question, see here 5x is there, here x is there. We are taking all the x to one side. It's better to take this x to this side. Then 5x subtract x is greater than 20. Now here 4x is there, it is greater than 20. Then I want to get only the value of x, so I divide both sides by 4. Then I can get the value x is greater than 5. Same as here, we can illustrate it on a number line. If you get such question, here also inequality sign is there, here also inequality sign is there. There are two inequalities. So when you get such question, first of all you want to take this part only. That means x, 2x plus 2. I want to get the value of x only. So I am taking this 2 to this side. Then 10 subtract 2 is less than 2x. Then 8 is there. I want to get only the value of x, so I am dividing both sides by 2. Then x is greater than 4. After that, I want to take the other side. I take firstly this part and this part only. When you are solving such question, you want to secondly take this part. X plus 2 less than or equal 14. Now I am solving this part. Then I want to remove this 2, so I am taking it here. Then 2 is less than 14 subtract 2. then 2x is less than or equal 12. Then I will divide both sides by 2. Then x is less than or equal 6. Now see, here also x is there, here also x is there. Now we are going to combine these two inequalities. Here also x is there, then I write the x here and I'm combining it. I'm taking this x to here, then it is less than or equal 6. So, I am going to show these inequalities on a number line. Then x here is 4, here is 6. 4 is less than x and x is less than 6 and it is equal is there. So I can now show it in number line like this way. Now see, there is another question. Now here negative 5x is less than x at 12. So here x is there. So it is better to take this x to this side for solving this. Now negative 6x is less than 12. Now see, in here we want to get only the value of x. So we have to divide by negative 6. You want to know a special thing. In inequalities, when you divide by negative value and when you multiply it by negative value, the inequality sign will change. What will happen? When you divide or when you multiply it by a negative value, if the inequality sign is like this, it will change to this. If it is like this, it will change to like this way. So here we have to divide by negative 6 both sides. Then what will happen? This inequality sign change to this way. For negative 6, this negative 6 is cut off. Then x is greater than negative 2. We will see another one. Now see, there's a question like this way. When you get such question, first of all you want to remove this 5. For removing this 5, I will divide both sides by 5. Then this 5 is cut off to this 5. Only negative 2x is remaining in this side. Here we will get 50. Again, same as here. When you are dividing by negative value or multiplying, you have to change the inequality sign. Then what will happen when you dividing by negative 2? This inequality sign is changed to other side. Then you will get negative 25. The things you want to remind in this lesson is, in inequalities, when you are dividing by negative value and when you are multiplying by negative value, the inequality signs are changing. And here, when you want to illustrate the number lines, solutions on the number line, if there is only equal sign is there, you want to color this board. So, it's enough for the inequalities. We will meet on another lesson.